I picked these up from the shop team. These are from Nikura. Just some little aromatherapy guys. I think these are a really nice little giftable, either for yourself or someone else. If you know someone that's into using wax melts, aromatherapy, anything like that. There are warnings, of course, using all your oils safely. But these are a really nice little thing to have. I've got a candle lamp where you heat up the candle. But then I like to top it up with my own aromas, because obviously it does evaporate. This little kit has got Sweet Dreams, which is the one that I was really interested in, with cedarwood, lavender, lemon, verbena and yang yang. Let's have a little sniff. That's really nice. That's kind of like a little citrusy, but like a sweet citrus. That's really nice. Really nice. I like that one. I was looking forward to that one. Now we have got citrus relief, so I imagine it is going to be super lemony. That's orange, cypress, grapefruit and lime. Yes, that smells like summer. That just smells like you've cut up an orange and it smells like summer. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we've got Calm, which is with bergamot, lavender, yang yang. You know what? It's actually a little bit woodsy. Maybe that's the bergamot, but that's really nice. That's like quite mature. I quite like that one. I'm not usually a bergamot person, but that's really nice. We've got Relax and Unwind, which is again bergamot, lavender, French lavender, and then lemongrass. So going to be a little bit lemony. Yes, if you like lemon balm, that's your one. I know I do like lemon balm, so that's nice. And Four Bandits, whatever that means. I guess it's the ingredients: cinnamon bark, clove bud, eucalyptus, lemon and rosemary. Now, they're all very strong scents. Let's have a little sniff. Oh, yes, the cloves. That's really nice. That's a really warm scented one. I like that. That'd be one really nice one for the evening. So I think like a citrusy one would be really good for the daytime because it's really fresh. And this one's quite warm. These are really nice. These are really surprising. They do a ton of other scent packs as well. I think I'll be getting up some more because these are really nice. So yeah, what a fab little treat.